Hello Facebook friends, this is Brad Holtkamp from Brad Holtkamp Automotive. We just wanted to let you know that we are committed to staying open and serving our community throughout this COVID-19 crisis, as auto repair is considered an essential service by the government. Effective Monday, March 30th, we will be limiting our contact with customers for everyone's safety. Our lobby will no longer be open. We can be reached by phone, email, or text message. We will continue to pick up and deliver vehicles to be worked on at no additional charge. We are using steering wheel covers and wiping down high-touch surfaces like door handles, gear shifters, turn signals, keys, etc., both before and after service. Invoices can be mailed or emailed, and we will be able to take payments over the phone or through our Dropbox slot. If you choose to drop off your vehicle yourself, please arrange for a ride and use one of the envelopes in our Dropbox just outside the door. Fill out your information, enclose your keys, and drop it into the slot that comes into the building. Please continue to look out for one another, and be sure to let us know if we can help in any way. We'll even pick up essentials for your family and deliver them to your home. Just give us a call at 319-986-5193. Brad Holtkamp Automotive is here for you.